Growing up in a hardscape business, I was fortunate to have Phil as my father, who was always forward thinking and inventing new tools to remove the serious labor of installing hardscapes. Looking back, I can't even recall a time that we actually had to utilize straps or a set of forks for installing a step tread. We always had the clamps on site ready to go when we were installing these products. Last week, we did a video on utilizing the BL450 clamp and picking 4 retaining wall blocks at once. If you want to watch that video, click it on the screen. So we used to utilize the 450 for picking all of our step treads. But as the industry evolved, we started to install larger step treads. Products started to get heavier, longer and larger in size, and the 450 was no longer a solution. So Phil had to hit the drawing board. He had to come up with a new solution on how we could pick step treads in a different way with a higher weight rating. Ultimately, this led us to the BL980 in what is our most popular clamp today. As of today, we have over 3,000 BL980s in the field. It is obvious that customers love this clamp. But it's not only just a clamp, it's also saving your back. It's going to help you retain better help. And what we're going to discuss today is how profitable this clamp can make you. So you may be utilizing straps, a set of forks for installing step treads. And what we want to discuss is the time savings of the 980 versus that old method, and ultimately how much cash that's going to put in your pocket every year. So how much will the BL980 make you every year? Let's take a look at it. So using straps, typically speaking, guys, using a strap is typically going to take you around 5 minutes a stair. Now, you can utilize your own numbers. Anything in the purple is something that you can change. So using a BL980 takes us a minute a stair tread. Grabbing it, slinging it over, setting it down. Very simple. Step treads per year, right? You can put your own number in here. We used 150 based off 100 projects a year. Half of those have a set of stairs and maybe 3 stairs on each set, giving us 150 stairs total. Using straps is going to take us 12.5 hours. Using the BL980, it's going to take us 2.5 hours. Okay, so that's on a set of stairs in a year. Now, let's get over into the cost. Now we're getting into labor rate. We're going to bill out at $100 an hour. You can put your own number in there. Typically speaking, for doing stair treads, you're using a 2-man crew. 1 guy in the machine, 1 guy laying the block in place or guiding those pieces in. So 2-man crew is going to then cost us $200 an hour. For using straps, that's going to equate to $2,500. If we use the 980, it's going to cost us $500. All right, so the savings is $2,000. Now, again, opportunity cost. While you were taking this extra time using straps and bars, you could have done it with the clamp, saved yourself on time, so that $2,000 really becomes $4,000, right? So now we have $4,000 in savings. The clamp's going to cost us $1,600, and that's even including our adjustable chain, which is going to allow you to set those stair treads safely. $1,600, you're going to profit $2,400 a year. Now, you might tell me, $2,400 a year, that's not a lot of money. We haven't factored in using these straps and bars and getting those straps underneath there, how many you're actually chipping and might have to replace. So out of 150 step treads that you do, how many of those are you going to have to replace because of chipping or because of the cracking of the face or anything like that? So keep that into consideration. Those step treads can cost you $200 to maybe $600 or $800 a tread to have to replace. So if you chip 2 stairs out of that 150 at $800 a piece, that's $1,600. You already paid for the clamp. So I hope we shed some light on what a BL980 clamp can simply do for you. Utilize this math that we've laid out, put your own numbers in there, and ultimately you gotta make sure it's worth the investment for you. So this video was on the BL980. we have a bunch more clamps that we offer. So if you want to see a video on those different options, click the video on the screen. Now, if you want to know more about the BL980, down in the description, there's a BL980 link, bring you to the website, or go and check out your local dealers. Thanks again for watching.
You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.